What's up, Broke Ass Nation? Today is a really quick video on how to install the LOJ 300ZX fuel filter / regulator kit. So real quick before we get into it, I just want to say if you hear a little bit of extra car road noise, that's because I have the garage door open because it's hot as hell right now in Ohio. So I do apologize for that, but without further ado, let's get into this quick video. Alright, so we are going to be installing the fuel pump / regulator / returnless system conversion. We have to remove these hard lines here and those two rubber lines down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so those are off. Also forgot to mention there is gonna be a bracket right here. It's probably gonna look something like this. It's gonna hold the fuel filter. So you can take that off because it looks like the new one comes with one. One warning when you do take those lines off, that one right there shot a bunch of gas out somehow, even though there has been nothing on this system in quite a while. So just be aware of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the filter feed line, which in their directions they're marking as part A. It's going to be the bigger one. It's going to get connected to that rear line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so got a little ahead of myself. Well, I mean, not really. It doesn't exactly matter, I don't think. We're gonna go ahead and install the filter. So they want you to mount it in the forward-most mount hole and reuse one of the original fasteners. So that would be right here, and that's what it looks like in the directions too. Say that would be the right one. So I actually have this brake booster stopper thing that mounts right there also. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mount this right in with it. Okay, so not gonna lie, didn't listen to the directions. Because I have this brake booster stopper thing, I decided to just use that mount. I mean, honestly, this really didn't fit up against like right here very well anyway, but right here it fits like perfectly. So I don't know why they want you to try to mount it all the way up here. I mean, it's only a couple inches anyway, so I'm sure if you were running the stock fuel rails, you know, where you had to use everything from this kit, you would probably want to mount it up here just to make sure your fuel line reaches. But I'm actually going to be using AN fittings for the end here. I don't have them yet, but they make it where the barb that goes in here is an AN on the other side, so you can use an AN line, which is what I'm going to be doing since I have aftermarket fuel rails anyway. So this was our feed line that we ran back in there. So hopefully this works out, we'll see. So then that would be our in. And then I still have to attach the return, which goes on that one, and then is going to connect right there. Okay, so I ended up putting it on that hole instead of the hole back here where I had it, simply because the lines were like really jammed up back in here. I tried putting it in that front hole too, and I just didn't like the placement where this was coming out. It was a little too close for comfort for this. But I think this works pretty well. I got it kind of turned a little bit. I got it on top of my bracket thing here. I know the lines are kind of touching a little bit here and there on this. I'm gonna go through and probably secure them a little better, or at least put some kind of like wire bloom or something protective over top of them anywhere they might be rubbing or touching anything. So now normally what you would do is you would take this piece, then you would click it on in there, and then you'd hook it up to your LS1 fuel rail. Well, like I said, I'm not using that, so thankfully, if you can see, this piece here comes out and is an AN fitting. So we're going to do that whenever I get that fuel line in and get the motor in, which hopefully should be pretty soon. So yeah, there's that. Alright guys, so there you have it. I know it's not like a complete full install because my motor's not in here and I can't actually hook the rest of the line up, but I hope you guys can get the rest of it on your own. I mean, this is just a real quick short video. Like I said, I don't know if I really like the placement where they wanted to put it. I don't see how that would not hit the shock mounts right here. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I was trying to use that brake bracket in there too. Could be. Not quite sure. I do think they need to update their directions a little bit, because it said something about bending the feed inlet on the filter, and from what I can see, it's already comes pre-bent. So I don't know if maybe they just need to update a few things. I've noticed that on some of their other directions. So yeah, but like I said, this was just a quick video, so you can see what it looks like. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So till next time, keep off those jack stands and stay broke, folks. On behalf of all of us here at Broke Ass Motorsports Ohio, we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please let us know by leaving a like or comment on our video. If you're new and would like to stay up to date on things, please subscribe or follow us on our social medias. The links to those will be in the description down below.